again. Now we are going to do unilateral single leg hip hinges with different variations. Again, once your arm position, your hand position is going to dictate how we pull the lats and how it affects the lower back and the hips. So let's start with the basics. We always want to learn movement before we add weights. So what I want you to do for safety reasons, I want you to be arm's length away from the wall. I want you to tap, not lean. That's very important. The outside leg is the one that's going to go up. Your inside knee needs to be soft, so it's not fully bent, just a soft knee bend. Your weight should be distributed on your foot this way, your heel, your big toe, and your little toe. Look at it as a tripod. Your weight's distributed like that. So here we go. I draw in my navel. My goal is to have my chest and my leg parallel to the floor. I hinge. Notice my head position is neutral. I stop here. Your starting position is going to be here. You look straight. I draw in my navel. Watch my foot. This is bonus. You can keep it flexed. I'm going up, up, up. Here's a little tip for you yoga fans. I drive through my heel and the crown of my skull. I'm having it face that way. So I have the energy going that way. Then I come up. Progression 2, you're not tapping. I inhale, I hip hinge, hip hinge, hip hinge, hip hinge, hip hinge. If your hip's really externally rotating, you want to turn it in. And I come back up. Next lever. It's just a good morning variation. I put my hands behind my ears. This is not easy. Pull back. Drawing my navel, and I hinge, 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 hinge. Pause. Foot flex, and I come back up. And you, of course, can put a bar here or a body bar really light. Now, if you have balance issues, again, you can tap, you can face the wall, and I can have you do it this way as I'm hinging. I tap the wall, and there you go. So you shouldn't be exactly arm's length away, you should be slightly away, so you can touch the wall. I show you again, you can have a neutral position with the wrist. Inhale, hip hinge, I tap, extend my right leg, and I come back up. So how do we add weights to this? Easy. What I want you to do, by the way, is called contralateral loading. So you can have it on the same side and load. What I'm going to suggest in the beginning is to do it on the opposite side. They both have awesome benefits. It's just going to help you learn the exercise possibly. It's going to stop you from externally rotating your hip too much if you have the weight on the same side that you're standing on. That's my opinion. So I'm tapping, the weight's in front, pull back my shoulders, hip hinge, hip hinge, hip hinge. The goal is never for the bell or the weight to touch the floor. I show you again. My head and my opposite leg should be always parallel to the floor. Tapping is optional. I can just do it this way. The tempo is 3, 2, 1 down. There you go.